Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect stew meat. First, ensure your stew meat is cut into uniform 5-inch cubes. This helps everything cook evenly. Next, it's crucial to pat the meat very dry with paper towels. Moisture prevents browning. Then, in a heavy-bottomed pot, brown the meat in batches over medium-high heat until each piece has a deep, rich color on all sides. Don't overcrowd the pan. Once the meat is browned and set aside, add your chopped onions and garlic to the pot, cooking them until they're soft and fragrant. Next, pour in a liquid like red wine or beef broth to deglaze the pan, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Finally, stir in about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and cook it for 1 minute to deepen its flavor before moving on. Now, return your beautifully browned stew meat to the pot. Add enough beef broth to almost cover the meat, along with your favorite herbs like bay leaves and thyme. Bring the liquid to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it cook. This slow simmer, for 2 to 3 hours, is key to achieving incredibly tender, melt-in-your-mouth stew meat. To finish your perfect stew, if you prefer a thicker consistency, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry. Then stir it into the simmering stew until it thickens. Taste and adjust the seasonings with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Serve your delicious stew hot with crusty bread or mashed potatoes. Also, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.